Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube family. And today we are going to play around with the ODEN'seye NORN'S palette. So this palette recently launched as part of their whole NORN'S collection. They launched a larger palette and 3 smaller palettes, and the eyeshadows just look stunning. This is the larger palette in the collection, and this is what she looks like. This palette retails for just over 28 euros, and we are going to test out today whether or not it's worth it. Stay tuned. Okay, here we are. I am back, and my eyes are primed with just my regular NARS tinted smudge proof primer in medium, and I do have some tape on because the reviews I've seen so far in this palette are that it's pretty pigmented, so in order to save myself some trouble cleaning up later, I've got my tape on. And if you want to trick with the tape, if you're afraid to use tape, put it on the back of your hand first and pull it on and off a few times, and that'll make it sticky enough to stay there, but not so sticky that when you take it off, it's gonna pull off your face, so that's always good. So let's hop in. I am gonna start with this first sort of lighter color called Dazed. And use this as my transition. So really smooth, really easy to blend out. It's not catching on the primer anywhere. Yeah, that shade went down pretty well. We are gonna deepen it up a little bit with this mauve tone mist. Put that just a little lower. I'm dipping in so lightly because these are pretty pigmented, but man, it is blending out like an absolute dream. This is my first time trying ODEN'Seye. So far, we're 2 shades in and I'm already so happy with my purchase. I think this is really gonna be the year of indie brands. At least I hope so. There's some really excellent indie brands out there, and I've been dabbling my toe in them, and I'm super impressed already. The next shade we're gonna go into is this deeper brown, and that's called Pragmatism. Okay, that one's not as pigmented as I thought it would be, but I'm happy about it because it's a darker shade, and that way I can control how much I'm building up. These are so smooth. Like, look how effortlessly those are blending out. It's just beautiful. Like, done and done. I think that looks excellent. Now for some shimmers. I definitely want to use this pink chameleon shade, but what should I do all over the lid? Let's swatch a couple here. So this is Obsessed. And this is Self. Ooh, that one's pretty. And it's got like a purple base with blue blue glitters in it. This one is Charming. Oh, that one's a bit chunkier. That one's much softer. Oh, I just made a huge mess. That is stunning too, though. I think I'm gonna go with that sort of maroon, the maroon one, and really let Pink Chameleon be sort of the star of the show. I'm just gonna take that on my finger and pop that on the lid. No fallout so far. This one is very creamy feeling. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty. I like it. I like it. Good job, ODEN'Seye. Good job. Well, now we're gonna go in with Pink Chameleon, which is so excited to use this. This is sort of like a white base with like a gold green shift. I don't think you can pick up the green shift on camera. It actually almost looks like it has a pink shift on camera, but in real life it's a goldish green with that pink undertone. Oh wow, much pinker on the eye. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Yes. That's cool. I am a fan. All right, clean up some of my boo-boo here because I got it all underneath my eye. All right, go back with our first color, Dazed, and just bring some of that back up here. help blend it out. And then back into mist, just to smooth out the edges of the shimmers. Deepen that up just a bit. And then with a flat brush, I'm gonna go back into Obsessed and just pat a little bit more of that over the transition between that and Pink Chameleon to soften it up a bit. There we go. I'm really happy with that. Bravo. Okay. I am gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I will meet you guys back here and let you know my final thoughts. Okay, we're back and my makeup is finished. For the lower lash line, I just used a bit of the mist color, which is that mauve tone that we put in the crease, as well as some of this sort of darker brown called Pragmatism, just along the lower lash line. Just kept it simple. I didn't want to go too crazy today. I really love how it turned out. I filmed a different video at the same time here, and as the eyeshadow sat a bit, I found that that Pink Chameleon shade did sort of come off a bit in my creases, just because I have such hooded eyes, and I did have to reapply it a little bit. We'll see if that happens again, or if it was just sort of a one-off just with the initial settling of the eyeshadow into my creases. But other than that, like, I'm really impressed with the quality of these shadows. I'm very happy with how easily they blended out. I'm very happy with the sort of fun color story. Like, I feel inspired by this. It's a little bit outside of my comfort zone, but I feel like I'm excited to play with it. I'm excited to get more into these other shades, the green and the blues. I don't wear blues a whole lot, so it'll be nice to pop into those blues. But I really love how my look turned out today, and yeah, bravo oden'seye. This is the first try, and so far I'm impressed, and you have a fan in me. So that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe, be healthy, and wash your damn hands. Bye.